Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Today we're going to open and unbox this O-Cedar microfiber EasyWring spin mop and bucket system. This, you dip it in the water and it wrings it out for you. Okay, we'll show you how to use it. Alright, let's take it out of the box here and see what we got. Part of the mop. There's the bucket. Mop handle. Alright, let's see what we can do here with this. Here's the mop. Looks like it fits on here like so. Snaps in right there. The mop handle screws in right here. Okay, and it's adjustable. Okay, like so. You fill this with water. Dip your mop down in here, put it in here, and it wrings it out for you. Alright, let's put a little water in this and see what we can do, okay? There's your instructions on the box. Fill bucket to the max line. Place mop handle in bucket. Place wet mop handle in wringer. Lightly hold it with your hand. Use your foot to wring the water out of it. You're ready to mop. Alright, we have some water in it. Now what we're going to do, you loosen this up just a little bit, slide it out, and then screw it back. Loosen this one up, screw it back. Okay, put it down in the water like so. Here it's wet. Here, put that in there. There's a foot piece right here. Wrings all the water out of it. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, that's good. Put it down the floor and just do a little mopping. See here? All right. You ready to do it again? Put it back in the water. Get it wet good. See how it hangs down here dripping? Let it slip right down in there. Hold it real lightly up here with your hand. Okay? And spin it. That works pretty good. Look at that little foot piece. No batteries, nothing. Just use your foot. All right, there it is. Do a little bit more mopping here. See here? Oh, that works good. It's not soaking wet or anything. Yeah, that works. I like that. That works real good. Okay, the mop is in a triangular shape with pointed front there on it, so you see you can get into corners. See how it does right there? Get right up in that corner and get it clean for you. It says it removes 99% of the bacteria in just water. But now if you want to kill that bacteria, you got to put something in the water, some kind of soap or disinfectant, something like that. But it does remove it for you, okay? Now when you're through, unscrew your mop handle again right here, and it slides right down. Unscrew this one, slides right down. There it is. It's ready to store. All right. You screw it down, they'll stay, okay? There we go. Pick this up, go pour the water out. You're done and ready to mop again. I'll put a link in the description below where you can find this on Amazon. We do like ours. Go check it out. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also check out the description below, and we will see you next time.